Česká republika,
Lietuva,
Österreich,
Hrvatska,
Palestine,
Polska,
Deutschland,
Slovensko,
Slovenia,
Magyarország.
And this is almost easy when you have your knees bent. If you're straight, then it's almost impossible. Yeah? So stay down. Okay. Then forward, back. Forward, back. And elbows. Don't forget your feet. And all the fingers is moving around in the space. Shake out.
This is why we are here today. It's a tremendous step in the Red Nose journey. And you know why? Because today we are talking about Vision 2020. And Vision 2020 is a simple way to write what we are, with these 20 years that we have in us, but also to write where we want to go, because it is very important. And I would really like to say that we came here because all of us, you in hospital, I mean the office, gave something special to this mission. And we want to communicate this to others. We first want to communicate this between us, witches and wizards, but also to other models who are actually, to whom we are responsible to say that, what we are doing in the hospital.
Now we can accelerate